Dear Goenkans, today we're going to learn how we can add a record, search a record, and delete a record from a form. So let's begin. In Excel, when we enter the data in a form to search for a particular record, so what we need to do is we'll click on the form button. Within this sheet 1 dialog box, we'll select the criteria button. Now we'll enter a particular data. We'll type the data that we want to search in the appropriate field. Say for example, if you want to search the data using roll number, so I'll write the roll number of that person which I am looking for. Then I will click on enter key. All the data of that will get displayed into the desired fields. As you all can see, 105 is having the name Nahid, its class is 6, and the section is Jasmine. Same is in the Excel worksheet, as you all can see. So this is how we can find data for a particular person. Now let's search for another record. Now we'll search it with the name. So let's take the name Ali, and then we'll click on enter. All the details of the Ali will be displayed. This is how we can search for a record. Now what if you want to delete a record? So we'll again click on the form button. In sheet 1 dialog box, we'll move to the desired record by clicking either on find next or find previous. Say for example, you want to delete the record of 103 Sarah. So once you have all the record details, we'll click, after getting all these fields, we'll click on delete button. Excel will prompt a message for confirming the operation. So if you want to delete the record permanently, we'll write OK. As you all can see, now we don't have a record, so we'll check the Sarah's record from the search button. So I'll look for 103. No, it is not there. Now we'll look for the record from the name. So the name was Sarah. Enter. No, nothing is there. So the record is not there. Okay. This is how we can delete and search for a record. Entering a record, you already know. We have to click on the new, and then we can enter the record. So for example, 103, then we'll write now the name different. Let's say Awadh. Then we'll write class as 8. We'll write section as Lotus. Enter. The detail has been entered into the Excel. So this was all how we can add a new record, how we can search a record, and how we can delete a record. Thank you and take care.